ready to craft a track that'll lift spirits and ignite dance floors. Let's dive into creating uplifting progressive house. First, lay down a foundation of euphoric chords. Think major keys, seventh chords, and suspended chords to create that positive vibe. Experiment with inversions to add movement and interest to your progression. Next, sculpt your sound. Choose a bright, airy synth lead, and use effects like reverb and chorus to widen the stereo image and add depth. Dial in a smooth attack and release to create flowing melodies. Now, build the energy. Start with a simple drum groove, gradually adding layers like percussion, hi-hats, and risers. Use automation to control the volume and filter cutoff of different elements, creating dynamic build-ups and breakdowns. Polish your mix by using EQ to carve out space for each instrument, preventing muddiness and ensuring clarity. Cytokine compression can also add a pumping effect to your bassline, syncing it with the kick drum. Finally, unleash that unforgettable atmosphere. Develop a soaring melody that complements your chord progression, layering harmonies and counter melodies to add richness and texture. Automate parameters like reverb and delay to create a sense of space and movement. Now you have an uplifting track ready to touch hearts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more music production tips.